brownies in perfect little round cookie form. It's a thing, and they will be the easiest and chewiest chocolate cookies you will ever make. What is up, you guys? It is Karli here, and you are officially cooking with Karli. We're making the easiest brownie cookies today. Yep, this is all you need. Brownie mix, it's 18-ounce package of brownie mix, a stick of butter, 1 egg, and some chocolate chip mix-ins if you want. It's definitely not a requirement for this. This recipe is perfect to keep in your back pocket for those moments where you need to indulge your sweet tooth a little bit, or you need to take a dessert to a friend quickly. They come together quickly, they bake quickly, and then you can eat them quickly. Like, subscribe, comment. As always, the link to this recipe with lots of information and a nice little print button for that recipe is in the description below. Let's get making our brownie cookies. We're going to take our 1 stick or half cup of butter here and zap it in the microwave until it's mostly melted. I'm gonna go for about 30 seconds. All right, 30 seconds has our butter mostly melted. Next, our brownie mix is going to go in. I'm gonna just mix this all together here. I need my scissors. Next, the brownie mix is going to go into our bowl. Let's crack this egg into our bowl and we'll mix it all together with our hand mixer here. Let's mix this all together until it is combined. The dough should be soft but thick enough that you can roll it into a ball easily and not have it stick all over your hands. If your brownie mix has not gotten you to that point, you may want to add a little bit of flour until it gets thick enough for you. Now is the time to add in any mix-ins that you want. I'm going to fold in just some chocolate chips. You can use M&Ms, white chocolate chips, or those peanut butter chips are fantastic. I'm just folding these chocolate chips into our cookie dough here. Now it is time to scoop our cookies. I'm going to use a cookie scoop. My awesome husband actually gave this to me for my birthday a few years ago. And he bought it off of Amazon. This is a number 50. It holds 1.5 tablespoons of cookie dough. They come in all sizes, but that is what my size is. And I love using a cookie scoop because it makes all of your cookies the exact same size. You're not going to end up with small ones that are burnt or big ones that aren't cooked all the way. This makes everything nice and even and easy. I'm going to do 1 scoop per cookie and just place them onto our ungreased cookie sheet. I'm keeping the cookie dough balls pretty spread out on my cookie sheet because these cookies do have a tendency to spread a bit. If you don't want yours to spread as much, feel free to pop your cookie dough into the fridge after you scoop them for 10 minutes before baking them, and they won't spread quite as much. These are going to bake in a 350-degree oven for 7 to 9 minutes. Let's go bake. Let's go bake. Our cookies have finished baking. They've been sitting on the hot pan for about 5 minutes now, and that is very important to do because your cookies will actually continue to bake as they sit on that hot pan. Let's go grab them and we'll take a peek. All right, here's our finished brownie cookies. They're thick and they're super chewy and dense, just like a brownie would be. Mine didn't spread too much. I'm just excited to eat these, and you know what would be even better? Putting ice cream in between two of them and making an ice cream sandwich. What you need to do now is head on into your pantry, grab your box of brownie mix, and make yourself some cookies. I should try to stuff the whole thing in my mouth. I can't do it.